Hi everyone, this is lesson 0.3, how to use the tracker. So when you go to my homepage on Canvas, you're going to go ahead and scroll on down. We can put this in student view here so it looks just like yours does, and click on assignments. And you're going to click on underneath the unit 0 resources. So for every unit, you'll see that we have a resource section. And this is where you're going to find your tracker. So you can just click on tracker. And then you're going to click on the tracker that's appropriate for your class. What the tracker does is it shows you a couple of things. One, it shows you which assignment you should be working on. Two, it shows you if there is an assignment that you need to go back and make a correction for. And three, it shows you which students in the class have mastered that assignment and what you can do or how you can use those students to help you. So here I'm using second period as our example. You will see every student's name is on the left-hand side. You will see every assignment up here at the top. So what you will notice is that it will be 0.1 VN. VN stands for video notes. And as I showed you, I can see who completes and does not complete those notes. When you see ASGN, that means an assignment that needs to be submitted to me. So VN stands for video notes, ASGN stands for assignment. What you will notice is it will be highlighted in yellow for the assignment that you should be currently working on for your pacing. So you know if you are on pace or not. If you are working on the assignment that is, or the whatever is highlighted in yellow, whether it's video notes or assignment, you know that you are on pace. If you are behind that, then you know that you are behind pace. And if you are ahead of that, then you know you are ahead of pace. You know that an assignment has been completed and entered if you see a Y in that box. So for example, for Jean-Paul, you see a Y. That means that they completed 0.1 video notes. When they complete 0.2, we'll add a Y there. If you see a box highlighted in blue, and again, this is just an example, nobody has completed anything yet, but if you do see that you have a box highlighted in blue, that means that you need to complete a revision. So that means that you need to meet with either Ms. Fitzpatrick or Ms. Desario to talk about that assignment. And Ms. Fitzpatrick or Ms. Desario will have time at either the beginning of class or at the end of class where we go into a breakout room and you can meet with one of us to discuss your assignment. If you see a student's name highlighted in green and a box highlighted in green, that means that that student is an expert in that specific assignment. So sometimes we'll be in breakout rooms. If that is the case, I would put Jean-Paul into a breakout room and you could meet with that individual if you needed help with your 0.3 assignment or your 0.3 video notes, and they could guide you through how to do that. This is updated. We try to update it every day, but that may not always be the case. So you will see up here at the top, it will say when the last edit was. This is really important because if it says the last edit was the day before and you turned in an assignment that morning, it's not going to show up here yet, okay? And that's okay. We'll make sure to update it as soon as we can. Again, we try to update it every day, but sometimes we may get a day or two behind, and that's okay. That just gives you an idea of where you're at, and we'll know to update that as soon as we can. But please use this timestamp up here at the top so that you know when the last time it was updated was. And this is how you use your tracker.